Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 108 GT line that we've just taken in part exchange. So this car features 15-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry, there's tinted rear windows, a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got full leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also air conditioning, automatic headlights, speed limiter. The car features active city brake. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower, done under 6,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.